It is 4:56 a.m. and we are off to, what is it called?
Catalina Island.
Catalina Island, which if you guys don't know, and I don't know if you could even see me or hear me, but it is the exact same island that Apple used for their most known lock screen. So our goal today is to try to go and replicate, if not get a better picture than they have. Okay, so we just got to Catalina Island, but we want to see it from bird's eye view, so that's the first thing we're going to do. Okay guys, so we just got to Catalina Island. Here with my sister, my Explorer partner, we did all. But not only did we have to take a ferry here, but now we're gonna have to get another transportation to get to the other side of the island to get the iconic shot that Apple uses for their wallpaper. We have to get there. I want you guys to see this. So come along and see if we can actually get there, and
yeah, let's go.
we're late. We gotta go. We have 8 hours to be here before the ferry leaves again, so we kind of need to take off ASAP. So let's get to it. But this is just crazy. Everywhere you look, it looks like Jurassic Park almost, you know? So now we're literally looking to book a speedboat. Like 2 boats to get to this place. Now a speedboat, and I still don't know if we'll be in the exact location. We're probably gonna have to still hike all the way there as well, so
let's see what we can find.
Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I feel like we've kind of figured it out by now.
Kind of.
So we're taking 2 boats. Now we're taking another boat to get to that side of the island. Then we'll have to hike for about 2 hours if we don't take another boat ride just to get there faster. So we don't know exactly what we're doing just yet, but we're going to get there.
We're gonna get there.
We're determined, no matter what. Even if I have to swim there, freehand, we will get there. So we're about to board the second boat now, so let's go. Right here, second boat. Emery's already out of it. This is our second boat ride. We are getting there. We are getting there. But it's taking us a little bit longer, so should get sleep. I will just look out the window. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely insane. My favorite part is how many backpacks there are in the front. I like that a lot. And now we have made it to the next part, and then now we need to figure out how to get to the other side. Either we're walking this, or
We're getting another boat.
Or we're getting another boat.
Let's find out.
It's really smooth.
Good.
So we just got the map. We are going to be hiking all the way up and over here.
Yeah.
To give us the best chance of actually getting closer to it. So we'll be actually hiking right on the mountain, but it'll just be kind of to see like how we can actually get the shot. So the goal is to get as far to here as possible so we can get the drone out here to get the shot in. So you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm so not ready for this. Okay, so we just started the hike.
Yeah.
Our goal is to probably hike about like a couple miles up here and see what shots we can get. This is already like beyond stunning right now. Like there's no one anywhere, and there's just like boats. We're just on an island in the middle of California, which is absolutely insane. So we'll check back in with you guys when we actually have made progress or we know where we're gonna go next. As of right now, we're honestly just trying to get on the trail so we can actually see how tough it's gonna be or how long we'll actually be hiking for. So keep you updated. Hopefully to get some crazy shots. Hopefully to get enough to see the mountain that we're actually on right now, which is that really special mountain. So
yeah, and we'll see if Jack jumps in the water.
Potentially, you know, if I get this shot, I'll probably jump in the water. I'll be so happy. But we will see now, won't we?
Yeah, let's find out.
Okay, so now we can actually see the trail. We're literally gonna go all the way up here, and the goal is to get over the top of this. So let's see how far we can actually get up here, and then we'll look to see how far we are away from it. But right now, I feel like we're doing pretty good right now.
Yeah?
We're not even got a mile, so.
Well, we tried to hitchhike, but no takers.
Yeah, no one's picking us up, so we gotta walk it ourselves. So, let's keep going. Okay, so this is how far we've made it so far, and it's pretty insane. As you can tell, the memory is dead tired right now, but we started from all the way down here. We just got to get over this lip to kind of see how far we have to go next, but I think we're making some good progress. So, oh, see the helicopter right there?
Yeah.
That's what we got to avoid. It's a helicopter.
Oh. God, they're so loud.
Okay, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. This is a lot more exhausting than we had expected, but yeah, gotta keep going. Woo! That's how you know you're high. Okay guys, another checkup. We are so high right now.
Yeah.
Like we keep on going to a really high peak and we're like, okay, this must be the highest point, and then it's another one. So right now, this is what we're dealing with. I mean, there's a crazy drop off right here. And I think we're at 2,000 feet elevation, which isn't anything crazy, but we're still going up. And I'm hoping to have an actual view of everything once we get over this one, I'm hoping. But this is absolutely insane. It's actually crazy. I'm confident, I'm not that confident. So we're trying to get a shot of us literally climbing this mountain right now. So this is what we have to end up doing. And now we can just hike and it'll track us. How fast that dropped?
Yeah.
To the altitude, bro. It gets really, really sketchy up here. But we just got the most badass shot. This hawk was trying to take out my drone. And we're almost there. So we'll keep you guys posted. We're literally looking at it right now. We have a little bit left to go. So we'll see you guys at the top.
I think this is it. This is it. Woo!
Holy cow, this is crazy. Okay guys, so we did not get the top of Silver Peak, at least not today.
Yeah.
But for the shots that we did manage to get were absolutely spectacular. The GoPro we tried on this trip, it was freaking insane. All the FPV shots were the GoPro 11 Black. And then, yeah, the drone shots, I've never flown a drone on a mountain, period. Yeah, so this was like
what a great
crazy.
First one, yeah.
I know, like we were both like, oh no, but it was very comfortable. We had a great time. And I think this still calls for getting in the water.
I think we're gonna have to run down this mountain.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to. But we'll have to get on quickly if we're gonna make it in time, because we cannot miss this ferry and get stuck another night on this island, dude. It's absolutely insane.
Right?
We are not gonna miss this ferry. No, we are not. Look how crazy that is. Oh my goodness. We will not miss this ferry. We've been sprinting down the past 30 minutes. Look at this.
I know we were gonna do this.
Oh.
You okay?
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Okay, we made it.
We made it.
Oh, we made it.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Wow, that's close.
Oh, I cannot believe we just freaking jogged down that whole entire thing. This is insane. Oh my gosh, my shins are absolutely killed right now.
I say I liked it.
Oh my goodness, dude. We just got back to Mainland and we're both dead. Slept the majority of the ride.
We still have more.
And we still have to Uber back to the actual port that we left from, because now we're going to a different port.
I'm so tired. I'm nowhere. I'm so tired.
Get the Uber private jet.
Private jet? Okay.
Yeah.
What about the luxury? Oh, shoot. No thanks.
Dude, that was a rag too, bro. Oh my goodness. I can barely walk.
Everything hurts.
We're dying right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We've been gone all day. Okay guys, we are finally back in the car after a whole day of shenanigans. We didn't end up getting like the one shot that we were trying to get the whole time, but at least we got to the place we wanted to get to. and we got so many other like crazy shots and just had a great time in general. So it just goes to show that even though you might not get like your bucket shot, it's still like an amazing experience to get out there and still like have a great time. We didn't even get in the water. We were super late we thought we were gonna miss the ferry, and we just had to book it and like just head in as
Like the
fast as
last one off the
possible.
island.
And we literally got there as they were boarding. And that could have been really bad if we didn't make this, because we definitely would not have gone back tonight unless like really late potentially, but probably not. So crazy experience, had a great time, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know it's fucking all over the place, but this is day 2, and we're gonna be starting the road trip tomorrow or tonight depending on how we're feeling. So we have a bunch of crazy ass things coming up, so stay tuned for that.